Braised and Pan-Fried Pork. A main dish from Ecuador. Serves 4. You will need 17 ingredients. Step 1. Trim the pork of excess fat. Place it in a non-aluminum pan large enough to hold both the meat and the marinade. Put the next 10 ingredients in the food processor or blender and with the motor running, slowly add the water to make a puree. Pour this over the pork, cover and refrigerate for at least 12 hours. Place the pan of pork with the marinade in a 300-degree oven and cook for about 3 hours or until very tender, almost falling apart. Step 3. Remove from the oven and let cool slightly, then, using 2 forks, shred the pork. This can be done in advance and stored in the fridge. Step 4. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet and add the shredded pork, peppers and cilantro. Toss until crispy, add the lime juice at the last minute. Assemble a scoop of pork on top of the boniato puree and ladle some black bean broth around. Culture, countries, travel.